Hey guys, just wanted to show you the progress I've been making today on the license plate. I removed the fender so I could mount the license plate up higher, and also painted the turn signals red instead of the default orange, amber. So I've done it here, and my first attempt at doing this, and I'm really happy with it. I think it looks great, as you can see right here. Probably I'll do another attempt at another method. Maybe right now I'm using a it's a gutter guard metal, and might use something solid if I do it again. So, but yeah, I think it looks great. All red in the back, sort of that awful orange / amber. Also got to do a few things to finish it up, but overall it's about done with, and I'll probably test it on the road when it gets to be nicer. But as you can see, it's pretty nice. I'm very happy with it. And here's my SC right there. My car that I drive when the weather's not very good. It's a pretty dope little clean Lexus there, and really into my bike though at the moment, so just waiting for the weather to get a little nicer next week, and then I'll be riding it all week. So, but yeah, I'm very happy with this modification.